Let me show you how to properly beat an egg so your egg yolk and egg whites are always mixed in and never separated. I recommend using a fork to beat your eggs, not a whisk. With a whisk, you'll need a bigger bowl or surface because it's much larger. I also recommend that you use an actual bowl, something slightly bigger, because when you use this size, it's actually really hard to get the full beating motion done when you don't have much room. So a bigger bowl is always better. Sometimes if I'm making French toast, I use a dish that's big enough to really fit all my eggs. Remember, the bigger, the better. So let's start by cracking our eggs in the bowl, and you can use your fork to break the egg yolk, and that gets you started. Then you take your fork. Now, how you hold your fork is really important. You can do this several ways to get started. Hold your fork, imagine there are handlebars on a bike, and then twist the fork over. This is the handlebars on the bike. You're gonna, with one hand, hold your bowl and then whisk it like this. That's one way. However, how I've taught my kids to hold the fork is just like holding a pencil. Take a look. So it's somewhere in between the handlebar and holding a pencil. You'll figure out what's most comfortable for you. However, it's not a whole arm motion. It's really a wrist motion. Take a look. I'm going to start. See my finger is just like the pencil. I'm just going to start and whisk away. As you can see, it's my wrist that's doing all the motion, and you don't want to go side to side. You go down and up, down and up. If it's easier, you can just tilt the bowl towards you. So down and up, down and up. So this is slow, and then we go faster. The faster you beat the egg, the quicker the egg yolk and egg white incorporate together. See here, you still see a little bit of an egg white. You could beat that in. But for the most part, your yolk and egg whites are incorporated. Let me know in the comments below if this was helpful and what other kitchen skills you want to learn more about. See you next time.